Alright, now that you've created your Start Here category, it's time to add some prompts. The best place to start is with the Collection Brand Voice Creator. A collection is a professionally made series of prompts. You can purchase and install a collection for a one-time fee. By putting this Brand Voice Creator collection under the category Start Here, your new user can learn how to use prompts while they create their own brand voice. Then they can use that brand voice in your marketplace when they run prompts later. It's such a great way to welcome users on board and get them off to a great start. You won't be billed for this until after your 14-day trial is over and you've put in a payment method. So don't worry. Right now, you want to treat PromptROI like a 14-day test drive of a high-end race car. Use it all as much as you can during this trial period. And continue to follow this guide and start earning residual before the trial is over. Once you've purchased this collection, you will go to Collections then Purchased. Click on the collection card and you'll see two prompts. One is a simple prompt that doesn't require much input from your user. And the other gives some users the ability to provide much more detailed information. To install a prompt from a collection, simply click on it. Then go through a few quick steps. For now, we will keep the title and description the same for SEO. Then choose Private Marketplace from the dropdown. I'll make all 3 large language models available to the end user. Then choose the category Start Here. I'll put a price tag to run this prompt of $9 per run. Next, you'll see all the variables and tooltips are already filled in. And of course, you can upload an instructional video to go along with your prompt. The final step is to test the prompt. So go ahead and answer the questions, then click Submit to test the output. When you're ready, click the Publish Prompt button. And you get this nice confetti explosion, which I never get tired of. Now your user can run your brand voice creator prompts. They will get amazing brand voice instructions they can use in other prompts. And each time they run the prompt to get the output, they pay the price you chose. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to create a subscription. This will allow your user to sign up and run prompts as much as they want, all for one simple monthly price chosen by you. Let's head over there now.